Your regular off-the-shelf cleaning products will no longer be a wise choice when you realize the danger they pose to your health and the environment. People often go for these products because they are popular brands. However, conscious people understand why they must ditch these chemicals for eco-friendly options. Ranging from health to environmental reasons, you will be happy to go green after checking out these 5 benefits of using chemical-free cleaning products. Of course, we will leave you a bonus at the end of this video. So, stay glued. Number 1. No chemicals mean better health. Reading the label, you will think you know all the ingredients used to make regular cleaning products, but this is not always the case. Most manufacturers are known to withhold certain information. Sometimes they list these chemicals under names the average buyers will not suspect. All of these tell you that these cleansers are doing more harm than you know. Exposure to these chemicals can cause allergic reactions and many other health issues. Thankfully, eco-friendly cleaning products are made of natural ingredients, which means few or no chemicals. This also means no allergic reactions and better health for you. Number 2. Protect your skin. We strongly recommend chemical-free cleaning products to people who have sensitive skin. Regular cleansers contain chemicals and additives that cause skin irritation and allergy. It is important to note that wearing gloves may not be very effective in protecting your skin. After cleaning, there will always be a residue that will eventually lead to skin irritation. This is one of those cases where abstinence is the only safe protection. Number 3. Reduce environment poisoning. Do you know that your favorite off-the-shelf cleaning products are poisoning the environment? First, the chemicals used in producing these cleansers are eventually released into the atmosphere as you use them. Worse, these containers are typically non-biodegradable plastics. So, you have a combination of toxic chemicals residue in a non-biodegradable container lying around in landfills and surface waters. This eventually leads to air, land, and water pollution. A simple switch to sustainable cleaning products goes a long way toward reducing these environmental dangers. As always, we need your love to grow this channel. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel to help us keep sending you valuable tips like this. Number 4. A new smell. It is straightforward to tell if a room has been cleaned with chemicals. Very easy because you can perceive them in the air. From bleach to formaldehyde and the host of them. This is not the smell you want to be exposed to all day. Hence the need to use eco-friendly cleaning products. These products are made of natural ingredients and scents, no more artificial or chemical smells in your home and office. Number 5. Serve multiple purposes. This is yet another compelling reason to start using chemical-free cleaning products. Eco-friendly cleaning products are intentionally made to serve multiple purposes, so that we can conserve resources. The primary goal of sustainable living is to protect the earth by preserving our fast-depleting resources. You can contribute to this cause by using multipurpose eco-friendly cleaning products, since they are safe for every part of your home and office. Finally, here is your bonus tip. Green products are cost-effective. At the end of the day, we all want to save some money. Since eco-friendly products are designed to serve multiple purposes, you enjoy more opportunities to save. Using one safe outcome for all your cleaning needs means you no longer have to spend on various cleansers. That's extra bucks for you. Although regular cleaning products are the traditional go-to option, conscious people are already embracing a green solution to their cleaning needs. It's time for green cleaning. Chemical-free cleaning products protect your health and the environment and save you some money. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.